A Google redirect to Bing is an alarming sign. Combine that with intrusive ad increases and pop-ups, and you've got a browser hijacker issue. Don't worry though, there is a simple solution here. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to run through two methods that'll answer how to get rid of Google redirects to Bing in a simplistic way. If you're new to the channel and like tutorials just like this, please subscribe and help me reach my 1,000 community goal. Right, I'll tell you straight off the bat that the fastest and easiest method to remove Bing from Chrome here is an antivirus. One of the main reasons is that it does a lot more than just fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Bing. It'll protect and rid your device of any malware too. If you're confused about which provider to go with, I'll leave some recommendations that I and independent testing labs can vouch for down in the description. Those will be alongside exclusive pricing too, just because getting good tools is crucial and doesn't have to be expensive. Now, for this demonstration, I've got TotalAV for Windows open. Again, an excellent choice and a reliable detection score. I've already downloaded and installed the app, so what's left to do is run a full system scan using the button here. The duration can vary, but it is usually nothing too excessive. Once it is complete, learning how to get rid of Google redirects to Bing is simple. You just follow the on-screen instructions about what to do next. After this, you're gonna want to reset your browser to fully get rid of the Google redirect to Bing problem. On Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the corner and choose Settings. On the side, find and click Reset Settings, confirm it, and once it's done, restart the browser. You should have no more of the default browser change to Bing nonsense. This is a Chrome tutorial, but if you use another browser, you can follow a similar logic and reset it via the settings. You might ask, how do I remove Bing from Chrome manually? In short, it won't be as effective or even easy as the antivirus method. I'd even still recommend running a full scan after doing all of the manual steps anyway, just to make sure your device is not a risk. With my disclaimer out of the way, let me quickly run through the manual steps. The first thing you need to do is open the control panel. Just search for it within the Start menu. Here, click on Programs and uninstall any suspicious applications out of there. Now you'll need to clear potential malicious scheduled tasks. For that, in the Windows menu, search on Task Scheduler and open it. From here, navigate to the Task Scheduler library. In the list, if you see any tasks identified as unknown, suspicious, or something with a random name like Chrome_policy, right-click it and select Delete. To remove Bing search malware, you'll also need to clear malicious files. To do that, search for Run in the Windows search bar, and in the text box, enter app data with percentage signs on each side, just like this. Click OK, and then between these folders, delete unknown ones with names like Energy, Bloom, Market, or anything of a similar kind. After this, in the same Run text box, type in local app data, all one word, also with percentage signs, and click OK. Here, search for Windows app and Surface app one by one and delete them. Finally, find the Google folder, within it find Chrome, then user data, then default, which might also be called profile, and then extensions. Here, if there are folders with randomly generated names or ones unidentified or suspicious or unknown, delete them. Hang in there isn't much left now. You've just got to open up your browser. An important step in learning how to remove Bing from Google Chrome is getting rid of unwanted extensions. Click on the three dots in the corner, then on More Tools and choose Extensions. Search for anything that should not be here and click the Remove button to get rid of them. From here, follow the steps I already showed to reset your browser. You can use the timestamps to go back. And I just want to stress for a final time, the manual steps may not get rid of your device of all malware or even additional or advanced stuff. So you've learned how to remove Bing search from Chrome, but I'd still advise you to run a system scan. Malware is a nasty piece of work, and there's a chance that the problem could be hiding deeper in your system. Right, that's it from me today. I hope you've managed to remove Bing Chrome adware successfully. If you have been, don't be shy and please let me know down below in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.